What's up? What's up? My name Mickey D. Mickey D. Oh my God, I love you. Get your gay tail out of my sight. Get your gay tail. What nigga? Get the fuck out of my friend. Woo! What the videos going on here? Well, subscribe to the video. That you know that we're gonna be having. Subscribe. I'm ugly Leonardo. Mickey D. Standing up, standing up, stand. Look at me, stand up. Hey, I'm bouncing Leonardo. Ooh. And so, subscribe, like this video. Subscribe to the video. Shoot some whoop. Whoop. Yeah. Leonardo. Let me get myself some. Yeah, it's so good. Give me them, though. Yeah. Get me. Oh, the lights came out. Oh, they came back on. Okay, guys. Yeah. Get your kids off out of there. So I just have to use a karate moves on them. Oh yeah. I'm gonna show you my favorite song. Oh, hop like a bunny do. That's nice. Oh yeah. Don't let me try. Listen to Freaky Friday. Like a bunny do. I woke up and Chris bounce body. I'm a fly like a day. And Chris on that. Berlin. Told him I'm his biggest fan. Damn. I did. I can sing so well. Wonder if I can say the N-word. What can I say the N-word? What's up, my winner? What's up, my winner? I'm Mickey D. Subscribe and like. Subscribe and like. I woke up in Chris. Why ya? Okay, hop, like a bunny and do. You're coming down with me. What the freak? I'm bunny hop. Hey guys, here's some cupcakes. No, Daddy. Stuck some pee-pee in the churn walk. Stick my pee-pee. Okay, Daddy. You turn your walks. My pee-pee. Turn your walk. Come on, my pee-pee. Smack my pee-pee. Ooh. Is that really making Mouse up here? Get out of here. Do you see this murder? Children are dying because of humans. Help that. Go to helpkids.org and subscribe. The bros of the thingy. Oh, ha. Like a bunny. No. Get up. Hey guys, I got done put my pants and I got my PJs on. I got my PJs on and beat my meat, Daddy. Beat my meat. I beat my diaper. I beat my diaper, Daddy. I beat my diaper. We beat our diapers. I didn't mean to see you effing high. Are you high, Daddy? Are you high, Daddy? Daddy, are you really high, Daddy? Daddy, you high? Look like you was at the bar. Look like you was at the bar, baby. Like, bar. Son, were you drinking? Daddy, are you really freaking high? Don't talk when I'm speaking. No, Daddy. You're freaking high. You, oh, Daddy raped me. Just spanking. Time for you to get freaking high.
And that's the end. Take a bow.
Uh, uh.